Hey friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama. I've been wanting to talk about this topic for a long time. It is a little bit loaded. I'm going to be talking about MLMs, multi-level marketing / network marketing, my honest thoughts, my thoughts on how people do it well and do it really poorly, and I'm just going to spill all the tea. If you prefer more of a written format, check out my blog post on my website, takecaremamayt.com, but we will dive right in. I refer to this structure as network marketing, probably because I am in a network marketing company. MLMs, I feel like just scream pyramid scheme. We'll get into it. A friend woke up from her nap. You say hi, Norma? Okay, so she's gonna play down here while I talk. MLMs leave such a bad taste in people's mouths, and I think, unfortunately, for good reason. Like, people do MLMs terribly. I'm sure we've all been there where we get a Facebook message from someone that we haven't talked to in a decade asking us to buy something, or maybe not asking us yet, but we know it's the next question, and it just feels gross. It feels like we're being taken advantage of, and it's just, ooh. And on the other spectrum, strangers on the internet reaching out to you, spamming you, telling you that you need his or her product or service, and it's just scammy, salesy, slimy, gross. And for all those reasons, I was so surprised to find myself not only buying from a network company, but now selling for one. And I think that we can do it differently. And maybe if enough of us do it differently, we can kind of change the culture around people's reactions to the network marketing industry. So what is network marketing, MLMs? I guess basically what it's not. So a traditional model would be for a company to have a sales team that they pay to sell their services or goods. They have contracts with stores. They pay more money to Target, for instance, to get the best shelf space. And it's just a traditional model of doing business. A network marketing company will, instead of putting money into a sales force, into a marketing campaign, into all of that, which I just mentioned, they will create the goods and services and then offer a structure for the general public to market, sell it for them. It's just a completely different structure of doing things. Here are the pros and cons as I see them as someone who gets into a network marketing company to sell. So the pros is you don't have to have a formal education, freedom. Hello, I'm at home with my baby. She just woke up and I am continuing. Are you being a ham? Look at that. What a YouTube star. I'm working. I'm a mom. I'm working. I have flexibility. I have freedom. And that's honestly what I'm striving for. That is my currency right now. And so that's a big pro for me. It's a great way to connect with others, especially as a mom. I've met so many great friends and connections through my particular network marketing venture. It can be fun and casual, and it can be a really real and huge income. Some people are making multi-million-dollar years, and so it's no joke, but it can be just, I don't know, $50 a month, a couple $100 a month. There's a wide range of opportunities here. The cons: people will judge you. People will think you are in a pyramid scheme cult. It just is what it is. It's still work. The thing about network marketing companies, sometimes they sell the dream that you just like sign up and money's magically going to come to you. It is still work, and hopefully you'll sign up with a company and a team with structure and resources and training, but you are responsible to train yourself up, to do the work, to find your best path forward. It's going to take some digging in and a lot of self-work, I find. I also find, and this is just me, that the payout starts slow. So it might be a lot of work up front and very little to show for it, but if you have the vision to see the long game and you have confidence that you can make it work, the payout has the potential to be amazing as time goes on. That's just my experience and my experience with how I structure things. And maybe I'm jumping too much ahead, but I never cold call. I don't reach out to friends and family selling my products. I don't reach out to random strangers on the internet. I never bring up randomly my product, ever. I don't do it. I don't like it. I think it's gross. It's not in alignment with who I am. I don't do that. If I did do that, I might have gotten some quick sales because people might have just felt awkward enough to say, just to say yes to me, to get me to stop bugging them. With that said, I don't think that kind of energy in a sale pays off in the long run. The way I do it is more authentic to myself, and I believe, and I've proven, it's sustainable and is going to get me that true huge income payout. I'm filming this in 2020. I think so many of us have a personal brand, and a network marketing company can be a great thing to partner up with if it is in alignment with your brand. I also really believe in 2020 the power of multiple income streams. That way, if one falls, you have more available to help with the offset. And I just really believe that's where this world is going. Most people, I believe, are going to have multiple income streams. Going back to the brand part, my personal brand is Take Care Mama. I'm so passionate about inspiring moms to indulge in self-care. I teach that through personal development, healthy living, and meditation. And I have chosen to partner with Young Living. That is, if you're subscribed to my channel, that's no surprise to you. And it just fits right into my brand. I use my essential oils for meditation. I use them for self-care, for calmness. And as a team leader, I get to work on my personal development skills daily. And so it's just a win-win-win for me. I really think when you're partnering with a company, you should do a lot of research up front. I see a lot of people jumping from network company to network company, network marketing company to network marketing company. And I don't think that's gonna like kill your career or kill your success, but I do think it might leave a bad taste in your audience's mouths, and it might make you seem a little less credible. So if you're open to getting involved in this kind of structure, I would just do your research. 1, is the company in alignment with your values? 2, look at the payout structure. Is that good with you? Does it feel right? Does it pass the sniff test? 3, you have to be obsessed with the products or services. If you don't love them, why would you want to sell them? So just make sure that you're in alignment. It's in alignment with your brand. And like I said, Young Living and essential oils is just a perfect fit. And it is one of my multiple income streams that I am growing right now. And if you're curious, Young Living right now is my #1 income stream by way of how much I make per month. I make money through sponsorship, so a company will pay me to promote them either on YouTube or my Instagram. I make money through affiliate marketings. I'm an Amazon affiliate, which anyone can do. I will link that. I will link their link below so that you can go check that out. Hypnobabies is a big company that I partner with, and I make a good amount of money every month just because of some videos that I've made showing my positive experience. I love having all these multiple income streams and growing them, and it's just so fun and rewarding and cool. I have a couple of things written down about how to not be annoying if you join an MLM. And number one, don't be annoying. Like, be a real person. If you love these products, you are gonna share them authentically, and your energy isn't gonna be like a, come to me, I need you to buy for me, I'm feeling so insecure. But it's just share. Don't be afraid to share, but don't make people uncomfortable. Openly share, and if they are intrigued, attract them to you. Wouldn't it be easier if we attracted clients to us rather than coming from the energy of hounding people down and asking them to click our link and pay a couple $100s or whatever it is? Like, let's attract people. Let's be real, honest, authentic, and let's make it a little easier for everyone and a little more fun. Don't reach out to friends or family to buy. Don't do the same things with strangers on the internet. Don't post blatantly about your company on social media. My rule of thumb is 25% or less. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'd love to connect with you. You can take a look at my feed. I barely post about oils at all. Like maybe 1 in 10, maybe 10%. I do most of my sharing on my stories. It just feels more authentic to me and less salesy. And I think everyone knows I sell them. Like, I don't make it a secret. I talk about it. I'm not shy, but I hope I'm not annoying about it. I hope I'm not salesy and pushy. And I hope that my feed represents my life, which is not 100% young living. I'm a mom. I love crunchy things. I like to make kombucha. I have backyard chickens. I am a multi-passionate person, and my Instagram is not to push essential oils down my followers' throats, because gross. I don't cold call. I kind of already said that. And then if people reach out to you with questions, you want to reach back out to them, but you don't want to do it like every single day. I've seen people do that as well. And again, it just, you're just pushing your clients away, instead of, again, we want to attract them to us. Right? Okay, on to do's. Be a real person. I kind of already talked about this in my don'ts. Post about your other interests and passions. Serve your audience. Teach them something. Confidently share without being salesy, and connect and network with others. But from the energy of really wanting to connect and network with others. Like, when I meet someone on Instagram, I do most of my sales on Instagram, social media, by the way, if that's not obvious. I spend maybe 10 minutes a day trying to find new connections, and I guess like underneath it all is I'm hoping maybe I can find new clients for my businesses, but that's not really my energy. My energy comes from genuinely finding people that I want to be friends with, and again, starting those conversations. And I don't bring up oils. I don't ever bring up oils unless it's brought up to me. And I think that is just, I wish more people would do that, because it's refreshing and it's real and it's honest. So if MLMs have always made you a little curious, Norma Goose, you are turned off by MLMs, but always a little curious if you could make it work, if dreams really do come true, if you could work from home with your kid, make either some extra spending money or make a real full-time income out of it. I invite you to kind of question why you're objecting, and I wanted to hopefully show you that you can do it differently. You can do it better. And I love, I guess, helping moms realize their true potential. And if you've been tugged to start a business, start a YouTube channel, start a public Instagram venture, I just challenge you to look for different income streams to add to your mix. And if you find the right network marketing company, it could be a huge game changer for you and your family. If you've stuck with me, thank you so much. I had both my kids in the background. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit that subscribe button. Come connect with me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Take care.